Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Cool Masters. This is Ugwait Sawan and today I am going to show you how to install Pokemon and DBZ games like Pokemon DBZ Boost Fury, Pokemon Emerald, Pokemon Sapphire, Pokemon Ruby, DBZ Legacy of Goku 2, etc. Means I'm just going to install one game, but you can install many. So first go in Play Store. You have to search John GBA Lite. John GBA Lite emulator. John GBA Lite GBA emulator. Okay, search. So install. I've already installed it. Open. So I've installed one game. I will show you. I will install another game. So first, then go to Google Chrome. And write loverzones.com. Yeah, then you have to write the name of the game. So for now I am writing Dragon Ball Z. Dragon Ball Z Boost Fury. Boost Fury. Or you can actually directly search on Google Chrome DBZ Boost Fury and then click the Love ROM side option. Okay, so if it is not coming, I have to use the long cut. First I'll search DBZ Boost Fury. All GBA games. DBZ GBA games. Then I will, so I want to install this Boost Fury. So I will search for loveroms.com. Yeah, so I found it. Sorry, my mobile data is very slow. I can't do anything. This is Supersonic Warriors. Go down. You can even install this. See, you can install DB games on which on the left side is written Game Boy Advance. So you can install so many games. See, game Boost Fury, Dragon Ball something, Dragon Ball Z Supersonic Warriors, and many more. Dragon Ball GT, Dragon Ball Legacy of Goku 2. So for now, I'm installing Boost Fury. See, you can even install Pokemon games like Pokemon FireZ, Pokemon Emerald, Pokemon Ruby, Pokemon Leaf Green version, Pokemon Sapphire version, and Pokemon Chaos Black version. So now I click on download now. It is downloading. So now it is downloaded. So I have to go to I have to go to John GBA. Where is John GBA? So John GBA. Yeah. So now I have to click the search icon. Searching, found games 2. And see. Now you can see Pokemon Dragon Ball Z Boost Fury. I hope you like my video. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below the channel. So bye bye for now.